I have tested this a lot, and the way that I got to test this heaps was, so here I am at google.com.au, and let's just do a search for vitamin C serum, for instance. So we tested this heaps with Google Ads, with these things here, which are Google Ads, for lots and lots of different companies that Raw Local works with, and millions of dollars in Google AdWords spend, literally millions of dollars of Google AdWords spend that we've been testing and working with across multiple different things. Because if you look at a Google advert, you only get 4 lines to make a sale, and the sale is click on the listing, and one of those lines is that, which is called your URL, your client-facing or shown URL. So we've tested all of this out, and I can tell you with the utmost certainty, it does not make a difference whatsoever. So by all means, get whichever you prefer. If you want a .com.au, get a .com.au. If you want a .com, get a .com. It will not matter one iota as far as your ability to negotiate deals, as far as your ability to get clicks on Google AdWords, whatever it may be. Don't worry about it. It won't matter at all. People don't care if you've got a .com.au or a .com. It doesn't matter to them. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.